on? What the hell going on? Operator, what right now? How you feel right now? That's your play right now. Operator, put your clothes back on. Operator, how we gon' move on? Operator, can't be next time. You're right, it ain't no deadline. Walk out my life. Before you go, walk out my life. How much I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
TMR Top 10. The Morning Rush Top 10.
Monster RX 93.1. Time for the first top 10 for today. And let's start off with some greets.
Can we first say good morning and thank you, Yon Davia?
Thank you, Daddy!
Thank you for topping up, and we're enjoying breakfast so much today. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Dapat tularan.
Yon Davia,
Isang-
dapat tolara.
Isang huwarang
Nilalang.
manginginig.
I know. Thank you.
Thank
Good
you so much.
morning.
Thank you.
Nakatikim pa po ako. Salamat po sa pag-
Naambunan.
Naambunan ako. Napadaan na lang naambunan ko. Maraming salamat.
Also, good morning to John, Paolo. Butter Baby says, Cara! Hi to Renz and to Farmer Sanchez. Good morning to Marco Pastrano. Chase is also locked
Oh,
in.
hello, Chase.
Hey, Chase. And
Good morning.
good morning to Queen Elaine and Justin Sayana. Hello to Lilo Boy. We also have Mommy Kathy, Ghost Girl. Teacher Nemsi is locked in. Hi to Kakay. Good morning, Estoy. Requesting for a birthday blend para kay S.O. si Dennis. Okay, we'll do that. Hello to Maxim as well. Okay, so let's do a birthday blend for Dennis.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dennis.
Dennis.
Happy birthday, Dennis.
Wait, can I greet my friend also?
Yes.
Your biggest fan. I showed Chico the video. Eric, buong pangalan. Eric Palasilda. Your biggest fan. He listens to The Morning Rush every single
Oh my
day.
God.
Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
Hello. Thank you so much.
Good morning.
Okay.
That's it for greets.
All right, so we've got our top 10 for today. Very interesting topic. Thank you, Mike Ferrer, for sending it to us, for suggesting it. What the universe is telling you. Let's start off with CN.
Number 10.
If I have that instinct to do something, usually I have to do it agad. Otherwise, baka too late na for me to start or even to change course. So very parang he works on gut. Yung parang minsan it might not make sense from a very logical point of view, pero pag nag-gut feel niya, kailangan sundin niya. May mga ganon.
Do you believe in that? Like you should follow your gut all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do, but I'm also very
Cautious.
safe.
Okay.
So, minsan, pag merong kaakibat na risk, medyo I try to slow down a little bit. Hindi ako yung very I gut feel action. Hindi ako ganun.
Ako, when it comes to decision making, I'm more like Chico na, very careful. I'm not just gonna simply listen to what my gut is telling me. I will consider it though. Pero more on gut feel na parang when it comes to people,
Right.
like
Energy.
if I feel like parang hindi ko to gusto, parang hindi siya okay, I listen to it and I'm careful around that person, and usually I'm proven right. Eventually parang I'll find out na ay sabi ko na nga ba, bad news yun.
May ganyan ako. I mean, pero usually very bad kasi yung ganyan ko na generally. Yung minsan yung akala ko na hindi ko makakasundo. Turns out, nagiging super friend ko pala. Or
Happens to me
yung
all the
feeling ko super friend ko, tapos biglang yung pala bad person in the end. So, ang bad ng radar ko sa ganyan. But, meron din akong mga ganun na parang, alam mo, parang there's something about this person na hindi ko gusto.
Mm.
Tapos biglang magiging friend ko na, oh, I was wrong. Okay naman pala siya. Tapos fast forward, I was right all along.
Ay,
Yung
yung parang,
parang like-
you were proven wrong for a bit.
For a bit. Tapos tama pala yung pinaka-initial gut feel ko na,
Totoo yung gut
ay,
feel.
nako, in the end, tama rin pala.
Paano yun yung gut feel mo sa akin, di ba? Yung kinwento mo recently na,
Ano yun?
ano ka, ginajudge mo ako kasi shopping ako ng shopping.
Tama yung gut feel ko.
You were proven right until 2025.
Ano pa ba? Gusto ko nang lumipat nasa Bangkok kasi kami. Gusto ko nang lumipat ng ibang building, hindi kami makaalis kasi walang tigil. Kung ano-anong binibili, yellow na bag, red na bag, blue na bag. Pare-pareho naman ang itsura.
Wholesale kasi doon. Ay, naman, dami kang bibilin.
Alam mo yung
To
mga
get the best
platinum,
deal.
platinum, yung mga gano'n na mga...
Lipat
Alam mo
na
yung
lipat na pala siya.
Floor upon floor upon floor.
Puro
of
bag.
like,
Ah,
binibili.
ang malala nun, di ba parang January tayo nagpunta ng back. Galing ako doon ng November.
Lahat na makita, ay, ang cute nito. Lahat cute. Lahat cute. Pare-pareho itsura.
Whatever.
Oo.
Wala kang kasama kay enabler nun. Aww. You still bought anyway.
Oo, enabler nga. Kasi ako yung mga girls, yung mga RX girls. Talagang like,
Ikaw lang yun.
Siyempre, ito hindi makarelate.
sabi ako parang like puro clothes and bags. So, labang laro. Hindi tayo sa may toys.
Hindi ko maalala kung ano gut feel ko when I first met you, Karen.
Ako naalala ko gut feel ko sa'yo. Because I remember the very first time I met you, I asked for a napkin.
Oh my
Oh!
gosh! Yeah, oo nga.
Sorry, girls.
Mahirap for me, for Cara. Kasi, mahirap mag-gut feel pag meron kang initial connection.
Aha.
Like for example, kasi nga, kilala ko yung...
Mahirap mag-gut feel kung... Tuloy mo! Mahirap mag-gut feel kung...
May connection kami ni Cara.
Nakita ko. Nag-fade out yung face.
Basta may... Kilala ko yung may... Nakilala ni Cara.
Let's just say generational friend mo si Cara.
Generational friend ko si Cara.
Bakit naman mahirap? Eh, iba naman siya.
Kasi meron kang, alam mo yung gets? Yung, kasi kunyari, I meet somebody for the first time na wala akong connection, then I can make like a gut feel judgment.
Aha.
Ito kasi,
Biased na judgment.
ano siya ni ano eh.
Ala ko mahuhuli.
Ano siya ni ano?
So,
Alam mo yun,
Ano
so
ni ano?
automatic, meron kang kaagad na
Judgment
something
based on your
na
relationship
parang,
with ano.
Oo, blank siya ni blank. Ganon. Oo, ganon.
Shoutout nga pala sa ano ko.
Hello to my ano.
Good morning, ano?
Ano ni Cara?
Good morning,
Good morning. Oo.
good morning.
Hello, Leia. Mars.
Sabi ni Maxim, nung first time ba niyang nakita si Cara, ang tawag niya Iha. Nag-ano ka ba? Grabe, dalagang.
Ganito na lang ha. Ganito na lang. Sabihin na lang natin na nung na-create si Cara, ako issue sa amin nun yun. Chismis sa amin nun.
Isa ka palang chismis.
Ay, nako, nandun na ako.
Nako pa sa mundo, chismis ka na.
Chismis pa lang si Cara, nandun na.
Oh my gosh, sabi nila,
Bulong-bulungan.
nag-bless ba si Cara?
Ganito na lang ha. Si Cara, kilala ko na nung bulong-bulungan pa lang sa kasal.